Just a friendly reminder to make the most out of Olive Garden's unlimited breadsticks, soup, and salad. Binabalik-balikan namin tong Olive Garden ng Bistro Group kasi pag umorder ka ng one classic entree, you get only breadsticks, soup, and salad for one person, which is nice to have habang naghihintay ka maluto yung pagkain. Kaya ang ginagawa naming dalawa, order lang kami ng 2 entrees para pareho kaming naka-unli. Now, don't get me wrong, masarap talaga itong mga in-order namin. Pero siguro it's because of the value and quality of food that you get tapos unli. Alam mo na, pag sinabing unli food, nagiging marupok tayo. Pinaka gusto ko actually yung minestrone at pasta e fagioli, which are both tomato-based soups. Downside lang, sa kakaparefill namin, busog na kami bago pa dumating yung main entree. But never too busog for some dessert and some fancy drinks. Parang masyadong fabulous tong drink para sa akin Okay lang, masarap naman. Now say for example, you're in a good mood and you're with your friends or with your date here at Olive Garden, you can also avail of unlimited classic sangria for just 345 pesos or 395 pesos naman for other sangria flavors. Para mas memorable yung night out nyo. Ay, pwede ba tumira na lang dito sa Olive Garden? This branch is across Maybank along 26th Street in Bonifacio South Street. Like and follow for more.